Osmo Pocket 4. Rotatable touchscreen and button features. In off state, rotate the touchscreen to power on. When not shooting, rotate the screen again to power off. To keep the camera on after rotation, swipe down in the camera view to open the control center. And set rotate screen to power off, to never. In this case, you can rotate the screen to switch shooting orientation. You can also select landscape or portrait mode. Swipe up to set shooting parameters. Swipe left to adjust the image and audio settings. Swipe right to enter the playback view. Tap icons in the camera view to select shooting modes or change the gimbal direction. Tap once for spot metering and focus. Tap twice to select a subject and enable active track. To disable active track, tap the screen or press the joystick once. In off state, press the shutter record button once to power on. When powered on, press the button once to start or stop recording, or take a photo in photo mode. During video recording, press and hold the button to cancel. Press and hold the button to power off. Push the joystick to control the gimbal movement. The further you push, the faster the gimbal rotates. Press the joystick twice to recenter the gimbal. Press and hold to lock the gimbal direction. Press 3 times to rotate the gimbal for selfies. To control zoom, tap the slider on the screen and then vertically push the joystick. The zoom level will be displayed on the screen. You can adjust the joystick control speed in the system settings. Press the joystick once to return to the previous menu. Press the zoom button once to switch to 2 times zoom. Press twice to switch to the maximum zoom. At any zoom level, press once to go back to no zoom mode. You can set multiple functions for the button. For example, press the custom button once to switch to standard photo mode and take a photo. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to lock or unlock the gimbal direction. Press and hold to customize single and double press actions.